Maraming salamat, madam, sa regalo. Ayan, bit-bit na kami mga regalo namin.
Oh my God. Hazel, there is one missing. Irene.
Glenda, Ate Glenda.
Rose.
Yeah, Ate Glenda. You forgot your cook? My goodness. Yes.
No.
You forgot.
1, 2, 3, 4. No.
You write to Mary. She took the another one.
She took the other man.
Yes.
I was sure.
You doubled my name. Madam Muna, she doubled my name.
I had to put your name double.
Yes.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, because it's Christmas Day and it's my birthday. That's why. You doubled my name. Diyos ko, yung para sa'yo, Tiglinda, kinain na ni, yung bata. Merry Christmas ninyong tanan. Merry Christmas. Ipagawas ng mga regalo, taas.
Boy, where is my... Yours, the baby took.
My goodness. Awas siya.
Irene. They take the one for Galindo.
Tiglenda. Tiglenda. You forgot your cook. Nakalimutan ni Madam yung kusinira niya.
أنا كنت حاسبة صح.
No problem.
The baby's still yours. Oh my God, I have everything for Glinda. I put in mind everything for Glinda. The baby's took it.
All the trees, all the cookies, all everything.
All Glinda.
Madam.
رايحة تجهز السندوتشات. أنا بلمن
Sa kamedyas.
No, it is there. It is there.
Thank you so much. Irene, yalla, take yours.
Merry Christmas to all.
Thank you so much.
Lizo.
Kakantahan natin ng thank you. Go. Hindi pa tapos, magalang. Fatima, ano ba naman to?
I forgot yours.
Okay, kanta tayo tayo ng thank you. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Thank you, thank you, thank babait ninyo, thank you. Merry Christmas, madam. Thank you so much.
Coming. Wait, delivery.
No, this because
She is the most lucky one.
Yes, special for Ate Glenda. Kasi hindi na ibigay yung sa kanya.
Santa
Claus is coming to town.
yung ring bell na iwan yung tumapit. Kasi na kayong sumay. Ako kasi
Hindi kasi dalawa yung napangalan na Mary. Sabi ni Awa siya, kunin ko tong isa, Ate Mary, kasi bakit dalawa sa'yo? Kaya dalawa yung Mary. Sabi ko, siguro dalawa kasi birthday ko, Christmas pa. Kaya na dalawa ni Madam. Ay, sino ba nasulat nito? Ikaw, te?
siya, wala kami alam dito.
Parehas kayo ng sulat.
Siya mag-isa nag-prepare.
Ay, talaga. Wala,
Sila ni Marina.
nag-effort talaga si Madam, no? For the first time. My goodness.
Merry.
Rose.
Pati ako ng Irene ko.
Irene.
Oh, Irene.
Kay Ate Lambe. Patingin ang pangalan mo, Ate Lambe. Tingnan natin ang spelling. Okay lang yun. Tanggap lang. Lambe.
Merry. Where's the
Ano?
little lamb?
Sa akin talagang Merry.
Where is your
Merry
lamb?
Christmas talaga. Merry. Merry
Where is the
Christmas.
little lamb?
Ha? Merry Christmas. Anong mga, ano, ay, may ano pala, may box.
May ano, may
Diyos ko, may
treasure box.
treasure box pala. Ano kayang laman?
Buksan mo daw.
Buksan natin. Sige, buksan natin.
What's
Sige.
inside? What's inside?
Mag-unbox tayo. Magbilang muna tayo. Grabe. 1, 2, 3. Paano ko mabuksan sa akin, bay? Naghawak ako ng ano. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, no! Ay, grabe. Ang ganda.
Ring sa akin ba?
Citrus.
Ring.
Let me see, let me see.
Ay, hala. Ang cute nung sa akin. Grabe.
Mary, what's inside?
This one, earrings, I think.
Ooh, cute.
Yeah, thank you so much sa earrings. Sa'yo, te.
Meron pa siyang bubbles.
Ano ba kaya ang ibang laman? Tingnan
Kasi
natin.
dati, hikaw na sa amin.
Pink na pink talaga yung box ko, day. Kakaloka. Tapos may flower na
Kasi
pink.
nung una, ganyan lang sa amin. Kaya hindi na kami binigyan ng
Especially for you. Thank you so much, Madam Muna. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow. Thank you so much, Madam.
Why are you late? Because maybe you are the queen? Check what's inside.
Okay.
Check now, check.
Let me see the queen. The last one, ang nakalimtan. Okay. Tingnan mo yung box na maliit. Yung box na maliit. Especially for you, yung treasure box. Open it, open it. Open. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much, madam. Sumapit tayo ay managsiawit ng magagandang Philippine Embassy! Nandito ang Philippine Embassy! Philippine Embassy! Thank you so much, madam! Thank you so much! Jingle bells, jingle
Just take a
bells.
photo, both of you.
Yes, okay.
Photo, where is that?
Let's come on, photo time.
Philippine Embassy!
Okay, where is the jingle bells? I cannot count.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh.
Thank you so much, Thank you so much. God bless you. I love you too. Love you too. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
I love you all. I love you too.
ang iingay.
And Mary,
Okay?
where's the little lamb?
Little lang?
Mary, and the little lamb.
Pwesto na natin.
Tara, tara. Okay, let's continue there. Mag-picture tayo doon. Saya-saya. Oh, yung cake natin. Maraming salamat. Ayan, naglinya na ang mga Pilipino. Parang kukuha ng passport ang mga ito. Expired na mga passport nyo? Ayusin nyo pila nyo, ayusin nyo pila nyo. Expired na yung mga passport nyo, ayusin yung pila nyo. Kukuha kayong passport. Kukuha kayong passport. Ay, nandito ang aming handa.
Dito nyo lagay yung box nyo.
Sige, sige.
Kasama sa picture.
Ayan yung Putuchi. Salamat kay Ate Ruchi. Ito sila. Sino sponsor nito? Ate? Ruchi lang? Salamat. Sige, sabay-sabay. Sabay-sabay.
Uy, wait lang naman.
Sige, mag-ano tayo, part 2. Salamat. Andito na yung mga regalos.
Dili na, dili.
Kaya Lambi, ayaw bitawan. Ayaw bitawan? Lagay mo naman doon. Si Ate Lambi. Ayan, si Ate Rose. Ayan na lahat. Sige, mag-ano tayo, pangalawa. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Ayan na yung handa, yung biko ko na nakatungtong yung yung tutong. Sana magustuhan nyo. Ayan, ang biko. Ito, banana cake. Tirochi, salamat sa puto cheese at saka sa macaroni. Guys, ito yung cake natin. Daming sungay.
Pinutol yung sungay.
Putol yung sungay siya.
Nilagyan ko ng toothpick. Oy, dapat mag-selfie tayo dito.
Akala ko chocolate yun.
Dito, dali.
Sige.